How fun.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's talk about your weather and the rainy weather that we're having out here.
Yeah, we've had a really good rain this morning. In fact, a half-inch to an inch-and-a-half across the area. So this is great. Soaking rains we've seen. Check out these rainfall totals from the LCRA's Hydromet site. Fredericksburg, about 1.25 inches there. San Marcos, you've had about 1.5 inches. So great, actually a little bit more than that, actually. That report up in Georgetown from a viewer just near Andice there, they've had 1.25 inches of rain as well. So these are just really great totals, all soaking in. And the runoff that is moving through the area, you'll have to watch for a little water in some of those low water crossings for the next couple of hours, and the creeks and streams that are on the smaller side. We have a flood advisory in effect until about 2 for a few areas of minor flooding from Georgetown down to San Marcos and over to Bastrop. So just keep that in mind if you are out today. If you come across a low water crossing with water in it, try to find an alternate route. You always want to remember, turn around, don't drown. Doesn't take much water to wash your car off the road. Let's look at the radar right now. We have showers stretching from the Lakeway area all the way through Austin and then east toward Bastrop and LaGrange. LaGrange, you've actually had shower activity all morning long. It doesn't seem like you've gotten much of a break. This whole system finally starting to push east. So this back edge stretches from the Blanco area up toward Lakeway and then Georgetown. That's kind of the tail end of all of this. The rest of it slowly clearing west to east through the rest of the afternoon. And there are still a few heavier pockets in here. Dripping Springs to Buda down to Wimberley. Again, a little bit of heavier shower activity there out toward the airport too. And not a whole lot of lightning, but just keep in mind you could get caught in one of those heavier downpours if you are running errands, say, in the next couple of hours east of Austin. Here's that system we've been watching. It's kind of a wave of energy, upper levels of the atmosphere that's going to be moving across the state. As it continues to pull out to the east, it'll take it with it all of that energy that's bringing us the shower activity, and we will dry out. On the back side of this, we're going to see your dry air moving in, so sunshine through the middle of your week and much warmer temperatures. It's actually pretty cool right now because of our rain. Let's go hour by hour through our forecast. Here's today at 6 p.m. We're looking at the wet weather moving out to our east. Overnight tonight, everything clears out. We are in for a sunny day on your Wednesday, and temperatures actually will climb into the mid-80s. By Thursday and Friday, we'll be in the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. Right now, like I mentioned, it's a little cool, 63 here in Austin. Calm wind conditions. It feels pretty humid. Dew points low 60s. They're pretty close because of that rain we're seeing. And again, across the area, Llano and Mesa now warming up a couple degrees because the rain has ended. 66 in Llano, 67 in San Saba. Still in the low to mid 60s through all of our eastern counties. 63 there in LaGrange and 64 in Bastrop. Temperatures later on today are actually going to drop this by a couple degrees. We'll go 74 this afternoon just because that rain has lingered a little longer. Through the rest of your day, though, it'll clear out west to east, and then our skies begin to clear by the evening too. So overnight tonight, a mostly cloudy to partly clear skies down to around 60, and a lot more sunshine for tomorrow. 85 your afternoon high. Winds are going to switch around too from the north to a more easterly flow during the day tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Look at the rest of the week. Tomorrow, again, like I mentioned, mid-80s, but upper 80s by Thursday and Friday, right near 90 degrees even into your weekend, and no really good rain chances for the rest of the 7-day period. This is kind of it for the time being. Hopefully next week we'll get another round of a few showers and keep this wetter than normal pattern going.